Welcome to my full shoe tutorial. Now here I will walk you through creating this game ready asset from modeling right up to the renders. We will start off with a quick introduction to ZBrush, then model the asset as a high polygon mesh. After that we will take it over to Maya, which I will also introduce to you in the course, which we will then use to retopologize and UV a low poly mesh. After that it's off to Substance for baking and texturing, and finally I'll end the videos off with some render and lighting setups to help you get some fashion worthy shots of our creation. Now this is a beginner friendly course in which I explain why things are done and how they are used, plus the course includes all of the assets so you can jump in at any point to follow along with the pre-made assets or create something unique as you go with me. When you are ready for the full experience, the course awaits.